time and dust to dust. Whenever there's a lull between